everyone! So today I'm back with the unboxing for the Layovers merch. Let's have a look at it. The first one that I bought is the navy cap. Wow, look at this. The bag that it came with. Wow. Definitely keeping this as well to keep all the dust away. Wow. It gives me those denim feels. Layover. It's embroidered on the cap. Let's see inside here. It has the BTS logo. Yep. And it tells you what it's made out of. Wow. Overall, the cap is like this. Wow. Looks nice. Quite impressed with it. This is the first one. Let's put this here. The second one that I got is the Layover reversible pouch. Wow. It's quite big, honestly. Look at how big it is. It's bigger than my palm. Wow. Wow. Is it even waterproof? It gives me those waterproof textures. Let's see. It's quite smooth. Wow. Oh, let's try to reverse it. Tay! This one, how can I even hide this when I use it this way? It looks so nice. Let's take that side and Yuntan. Wow, I think it would definitely fit chargers inside. Let's try out to put a iPhone charger inside. I think it will definitely fit. But let's see. After putting in how much space left. Wow, there's still a lot of space you can see inside. I think like MacBook chargers are like a no issue. So this one is definitely a go-to pouch for traveling or going outside. When you store those chargers and all those cables. Yuntan, look at it, so nice. If only if the zip also has the V logo for the layover. Let's look at this side again. And we'll try zipping it up this time with this side. Let's see. Oh, it's also very easy to zip it. Yep, no issues at all. And Tay on this side. Yep. And you can see this. The box also has the layover printed on it. I would say this one is definitely worth it to purchase since it has a lot of storage able to put in. The third one is actually unrelated to the Layover merch. It's actually from the D-Day concert. It's the in Singapore one because I actually attended the Singapore Day 3 concert. I just had to get this. Especially now there's the D-Day final concert gonna be airing in the cinema. So will your armies be watching it? Is it also available in your country? Let me know in the comment section. Let's also open this up. Ooh. Wow. Back here says Sugar August D. And this one, and then on top, this one is Sugar August D Tour D-Day in Singapore. Wow. I think even if you don't play guitar, you can also buy this. I saw that there are those keychains, like for the Guitar Picks cover keychain. You can put it there, and then it becomes a keychain as well, just like this. Or you can make it as a bracelet and necklace, or you can just put it as a decoration, as a remembrance for attending one of the concerts of Sugar's solo concert. So definitely worth it. This will definitely make me remember that I attended the Singapore one. Yeah, and now you can just easily put it back, and you can even like just put it on display like this if you don't want to make it as a necklace, bracelet, or even a keychain. Just add it to the addition of wherever you're storing and displaying all your BTS merch. Yep, so that's it for today's unboxing of Layover and the D-Day tour merch. Please subscribe and share with your army friends, and give it a like please. Thank you. 안녕.